What's going on, guys? You'll have to forgive me for being an idiot. In the whole video, I left my desktop audio on, so your guys are going to be able to hear the music I'm listening to. Other than that, I don't really care about the video not being monetized or copywritten, so it'll still be posted. It'll be fine. Other than that, hope you guys enjoy. Also, on top of that, don't judge the music I was listening to. That was just the vibe I was in. I listen to everything but country, so hope you guys enjoy. Really do. Peace. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be backtesting drawn liquidity. This is the fourth or fifth backtesting video, but I'm just having such a good time recording them. All of them have gone super smoothly, except for like one or two retakes where I've just landed on a 2013 backtesting session. So your 2013, 15, anything like behind 2021, I really don't want to backtest. So let's see, we come into 19. We'll go ahead and backtest it. I don't really want to, but it's drawn liquidity, so it shouldn't be too hard to, make do, even though I don't really want to backtest this. So let's check equal highs, obviously taken. So it looks like we'll pretty obviously go into these highs. Let's check on the daily. Yeah, that is the daily. Let's go to the daily on ES. And what the biggest thing with drawing liquidity is, stacking our MMXM on the 4-hour, stacking our weekly, daily profiles, and then also our higher time frame monthly candles. So we can see we swept out this prior low. Some of our squares are on there from previous sessions, but go ahead and remove that. Right, we can see, which I've probably talked about in a previous video, see this low getting swept out into the wick, reacting, lower low, higher high. So we should be able to continue here, where you see we're coming into a discount of the range after creating that high. Not quite a discount, so just keep that in mind. It is the monthly candle that's closed above though, so we'll just make sure we don't get too choppy at price action. And yeah, let's see what day we're going into. Thursday. Yeah, going into Thursday. Overnight pump. Love to see it. So let's just see what we get. Let's go on like the hourly. Looks like we're getting that move internal to external. 3 a.m. low. Should be able just to continue higher here simply off this. Drop down lower time frame. Put the hourly on here. Bang bang. Should be a pretty easy continuation, and if we should be able to use this 4-hour wick wherever we close at. So I'm not really gonna worry too much about RR or take profit because I don't know, I haven't figured out how to set a limit. I've just been kind of rolling with the videos. So let's go ahead and hit this draw on liquidity. Easy market maker buy model. Low time frame, high time frame internal, gap tap, time frame aligned. We look at the 4-hour wick, react from it, 3 candle model. Beautiful continuation. Let's get into the next trade. See, nothing really to take. This being at all-time highs, I'm going to be careful of shorting, but this does look good to short internal, especially with the SMT at the high. This would play out. We are at all-time highs, so we'll just see what we do. Coming into 6 a.m. Actually, I'll wait just a little bit so we can maybe get a little open, high-low close, and then a 5 or 15-minute confirmation. Oh, might not get it actually. Tell me coming into 8. Looks like we're gonna break this SMT. Oh no, we don't. So I don't want to be fighting the market here, but I will give it a little attempt. Right, we're coming into OT here, so I'm willing to take a little loss of this. Reacting off ETE, OT, having a draw on liquidity here, but understanding, this high time frame internal, external into the range. This is like 90. I feel like this is really gonna lose actually. I'm not like super confident in this. Yeah. So we'll go into that. Oh, whatever. So you can kind of see we just get swept out of market open, or not even market open. 840. I don't know. Can't look back too much of that one. Let's get into the next one. See if we can break out of this range, the downside or upside. Perfect. Let's check this 4-hour. Alright. Everything looks good so far. We'll just see if we use this low to stay protected, or if we'll come into OT, sweep these lows, which you already got an SMT at. So this could be it. Could be enough to move higher. Let's see if we're in Friday or Monday. We're at Monday. So it looks like it might be enough. Time Monday. 4, so perfect. We'll get to come into Tuesday. Perfect. SMT at the low. Alright, we'll go ahead and take this one. 3 candle model down there. Easy internal highs here. Perfect. We can go break even now. Oh, it was in the day close. I should have paid attention to that. My bad. Gonna break even anyway. Oh. There we go. Perfect. Beautiful MMXM. Just time for, oh, actually it went into 9, so either way, perfect draw on liquidity there into these highs. See if we can get a continuation trade. We'll form this second leg of reaccumulation and see what we do. Oh, well, we know it's going to continue higher just a little bit. What time is it? 1 into 2. You literally just take a simple trade like this at 1-to-1 real quick. Bang. Draw on liquidity higher. Boom. Smack that. Get on the flow. Easy MMXM into the buy side. We look at like the 15-minute or hourly. See our reaccumulation there. Bang. Reaccumulation, manipulation. 3 candle model. Continuation higher. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then obviously balance price range. Breakaway gap into the Asia session. That's a model we trade all the way up until now, and it's playing out in 2019. So beautiful. Yeah, let's just see how higher we blast. Wednesday. I don't think Don't think a Wednesday midweek reversal is imminent here. What time is this? 7. Swept off the low there. See if we get a low time frame market maker model. We actually should, unless we leave that data low, but I don't think we will. 7:45 news. It's weird. Alright. Should be able to come into the highs here. Just take like a 1-to-1. 600 600 should be able to move to and through the high here with that market maker buy model. All right, bro, if it wakes me up. Alrighty, let's keep going. What in the world, bro? Both times I've lost, that's happened. Alrighty, so now we got this high into the low. See if we'll come back into a discount. Looks like we're just gonna, oh, there we go. Alright, see if we can get some type of OT re-entry or something like that. Oh, okay, or not. Either way, that was, man, I should have just waited a little bit. I was in a 6, oh my goodness. Whatever. Oh Lord, we're falling. We're falling. Should come into 3 here and probably just end up continuing lower from this, to be honest with you. See what the 15-minute wants to do. Alrighty, now we'll get our continuation to our sell model. You guys should be able to see that here. into our original consolidation. So just enter here. Oh, I forgot to check the time. Oh, now we got plenty of time. Still into 6 a.m. I think it should still be able to play out. Looks like it's not going to. We'll just wait for we get a continuation model. Which will probably end up happening here. Tuesday high week. Alright, I'm going to actually flip here because of the SimMXM. Internal come OT enough. Not going to continue to short that after it's continuing to break, or continuing to show me that bearish PD arrays want to be disrespected. Sun, I was going to say, it should be just an OT tap. Come on, price. There we go. Oh. I don't know. I'm probably just going to go break even on this one. 10 a.m. Yeah, we could easily get swept out here. So if it ends up being a winning trade, oh well. Looks like it's going to be. That's really fine. Oh, we're damn chopping. Holy moly. That's fine there. I'm not really too worried about that. 9:30 Judas swing. Tuesday low of week. Discount price leg. Low to high. Check the 4-hour. Yep, should be good. SMT, OTE, continuation higher in this buy model now. Right, breaking this, respecting it. We break this high, go ahead and take long. So we're just gonna chop. Alright, looks like we're gonna chop, probably end up taking that low. Yep. Which is perfectly fine with me, because that just gets me more discount of an entry. Should be able to still run into this high, I don't see why not. Make sure we're not able to come and take this low, which kind of looks like we're wanting to draw into. Maybe SMT here. Might just be an OTE tap. Looks like it on the hourly. It's at 1 p.m. though. Yeah. See what we do. Oh. Okay, that's unfortunate. When was that? 3? Yeah, I wouldn't have taken that anymore. Wednesday. So now that definitely should be low a week. Don't really want to take an Asia trade. Especially a 2019 Asia trade. Looks like we're going to build up a range for London to take. Come into an OTE here. Continue higher. Alright, so I'm going to use this 4-hour rejection block to give it a little attempt here. But wicks me out, it's fine. It's literally gonna go to the same draw on liquidity. We're doing draw on liquidity, so that's all I really care about. If I get like wicked out and then fails, it's all good. Just gonna hurry up on this. It's taking too long. I'm getting antsy. Cool. So, right, see, we reaccumulate above the old highs. Obviously, where did I get stopped out at? Here, right? Kind of that same just idea thinking. Right, we have the 4-hour wick, moving off the wick, moving off a discount price. Just come into 2, and should have just been obvious when we were chopping, seeing that low time frame MXM, but I'm low-key not even trying to pay attention to that shit. You can flame me in the comments. You lie, I took a dumb stupid trade. I don't give a fuck. We're trading draw on liquidity, right? We saw the range low taken. We seen that shit, and we're just looking for longs now. And now this MMXM here is finally gonna play out. That we've been looking for the whole fucking video. It feels like it's fucking 2019 price action, bro. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's why I didn't want to fucking backtest this shit. It's slow as hell. We'll see. We're coming into 9:30. Fucking wonderful. Pre-market pump of hell. Alright, let's see. Wait till we come and sweep these lows. Bang. I don't like how this hourly looks, yeah. I know, and you don't like how that looked. The SMT though, yeah. Alright. Yeah, get copyrighted. I'm probably singing too good. Holy chop. Holy chop, holy chop, holy chop, holy chop, holy chop. It's like someone missing? I guess kinda, but not really trading that. Bro, did we SMT or something here? I didn't see. SMT. Whatever. Alright, let's see high time frame what we got going on. Just chopping in the range. It's all good. Honestly, want to look for long still, just because of how this range looks. Right, we're chopping in the range, sweeping the low. I would like if I was like actually tuned in on the chart, I would long this. See what 6 does. Alright, we'll take a little stab here. Go. Bruh, anyway. It's literally gonna sweep this at 10. It's just a 10-hour power of 3. It's kind of silly. It's all good. This is the only time I'm gonna do this. Because I know it's gonna run all the way to these highs. So just feel it in my bones. Yep. Right, and going break even because we just went internal to external. Double tap with a PD array. It's all good. Alright, well, hope that's enough draw on liquidity understanding for you guys. Right? A lot of times when we run into SMTs like this, just not paying attention enough, they're just rolling off the 4-hour. Right, we'll often see, you know, just us break back down from it. Either use this wick or this 4-hour candle, chop, accumulate, manipulate, and then distribute back lower. I just low-key wasn't trying to take shorts because it just doesn't seem like the optimal play. But the reason I'm talking about stopping the trades because obviously we're coming into 2 p.m. So we'll have like another hour maybe. But other than that, we won't really have too much time. We'll have 10 more minutes maybe. So perfect. Got a little bit more. But yeah, coming into the times where prop firms will have to close anyway. So wouldn't have missed out or made any that much more. Alright, I'll take one more trade trying to finish off this buy model. 20-minute video so far, so not too bad. I took some losses, but like the overall idea of the draw on liquidity was right, so I'm like not really too concerned. See if we use these previous down close candles support price higher. Side of this wick here to the other side of the other side of the buy model. Sorry, trying to talk too fast. We dip right past through it. 130. I'll give you guys one more here. Let it breathe a little bit and then try and catch the rest of the move. Go break even. Alright, you guys ready? I'm getting antsy. What time is it? 7? Yeah, thought so. Alright. It's all good. Low-key want to take this PM trade. Alright, this will be the last one. I low-key think I'm just getting antsy at this point. It's getting late, and I just low-key want to finish the video. Cause I don't know, just getting tired of backtesting now. What time we just come into? Oh shit, close. Whatever. It's fine. Alright. I'm not gonna trade this again, but we'll see if it plays out. Well, actually, we do break that low, so oh well. Be wrong there. Intraday and high time frame, right? As long as you're having the mix and you're able to see, what you're able to, protect yourself from. That's the biggest thing. All right, we'll just get one short into these lows. Daily. Actually, I'm not sure. What is this, Friday? Yeah. Bro, if we just sweep that, if we literally just reaccumulate to sweep out previous, it's not even previous week's low, so I don't know. Friday, let's check the weekly candle. Yeah. Wow, we're working with some vicious stuff here. No way. Guess we're gonna Are you ready, guys? Alright, I think I'm spending too much time doing this. Oh no, I found it. It's not even black. Alright, either way, I'm going ahead 30 minutes at a time with ease. Alright, we'll end it there. That's fine. That's whatever. Intraday, there a lot of things could have been done different. Skipping ahead 30 minutes at a time, it's all good. But yeah, see us short end of that low, and then Dang, finally. So there we go. Kind of saw the swap there into that high that just apparently just left 3 highs. That's all good though. But I would literally, I mean, I don't know. It just got so close. So I was like, all right, let me just continue. But we get to easily close that. Right, at least went break even. So I'm not really too fucking worried about that silly loss at the end right there. We can check the analytics. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really hope you do. So eight and like really 5. You know, there might have been some dumb trades that we took, but just literally, you know, you guys know I don't really trade fully like this, so just taking some draw and liquidity trades, and then knew the draw was high here, probably another high probability draw. So probably took 3 stupid losses, but it's all good. Still a 60% win rate, and you guys see I'm just looking at the chart. So, you know, you can definitely be profitable with just a draw on liquidity and having, excuse me, a safe stop loss. But yeah, I hope you guys can learn something from this video and enjoy it. Peace.